है ये 6 दिन का होता है. कितने दिन का होता है? 6 days. We've tried to make it compact because reels का ज़माना है. 10 seconds, 60 seconds, 30 seconds is our attention span. So we want to make it a little bit compact. Hence we put it all together in 3 days. So a lot of these concepts that we are exploring might seem fleeting right now, but don't worry. Once we complete it today, we also have many follow-ups that we can basically take it forward with. But today, day 1 and day 2 का थोड़ा हम recap करेंगे. Will you all help me out? Yes? We'll have the visuals on the screen. You will have your notes with you. तो देख के आप can you help me out कि क्या हुआ था, क्या बताया था, क्या concept था? Is that okay? Yeah? ठीक है, good. And what do we have to do? The main thing, whenever we ask a question, we have to respond very loudly, strongly. Yes?
Yes.
It can either be yes, no, or anything, right? But you have to respond very strongly and loudly, so that I know that everyone's present here. So with that thought, let's start day 3. Let's go. House rules we've discussed. What was this? Starry night. This is day 1. Yeah. What happens when you look at the starry night? Wonderment. Mataji said wonderment. Wonderment से हमें क्या याद आएगा कि when we have a look at the starry night, when we have a look at the biggest things in nature, deepest things in nature, तो हमें questions आते थे और अभी भी आते हैं about existence of ourselves and existence of this whole creation. Yes?
Yes.
उससे हमने शुरुआत करी थी. And it made us wonder. Does it make you wonder? Of course it did. But if it made you wonder, what happened to those questions? हम उन questions को हमारी life की भागा-दौड़ी में क्या कर गए? भूल गए. That's something that we spoke about. भूल गए. This was day 1. And then day 1 के end में हमने ये discuss किया था. लेकिन हमें भूलना नहीं है, because हमने ये जाना कि actually हमारी speciality as humans इन्हीं questions का answer ढूंढना हमारी क्या है? Speciality है. Why? How are we different from animals? How are we similar to animals? 4 activities: eating, sleeping, mating, defending. Yes?
Yes.
Can we repeat that again? Eating, sleeping, mating, and defending. And what is our speciality? That we can be inquisitive about deeper things in life. Animals can't do that, we can do that. And that is the only speciality that we have. That is the thing that makes us human. That makes us human. Yeah? So if that is what is making us human, and उसी को हम अपनी life की भागा-दौड़ी में भूल जा रहे हैं, तो what is that making us? Sophisticated animals. इसकी हमने day 1 पे बात करी थी. And then we spoke about a lot of different things that like बड़ी चीजें हो रही हैं बाहर. प्रेजेंट में भी बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. उन सारी प्रॉब्लम्स का जो जड़ है, रूट कॉज कौन है? ह्यूमन. अगर हमें सारी प्रॉब्लम्स ठीक करनी है तो क्या ठीक करने पड़ेंगे? अपने आप को ठीक करने पड़े. अपने आप को ठीक करने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? अपने आप को जानना पड़ेगा. We have to know ourselves before we can fix ourselves, and that is something we started to do. Big questions of the outside world and deep questions about our own self. This is where inquisitiveness, atato brahma jigyasa, actually comes in, right? This is something that we spoke about. Do you remember this activity? What is this activity? ID card. हमारे बारे में हमें क्या पता है? हमने पहले वो जाना. हमारे बारे में हमें बहुत थोड़ा पता है, क्योंकि हम सीन अभी आगे आएगा. सीन, अनसीन एंड अननोन जब की हम बात करते हैं, we only talk about our identity only on the part of seen and maybe a little bit about the unseen, but nothing about the, because it's unknown. We name, age, gender, address, qualification, the birth, all of this we spoke about. We did an anatomy of ourselves, and then we saw that we basically have how many levels? 3 levels. First level is? Second level is? Third level is? What is the first level जो हमें दिख रहा है अपने बारे में? The senses, our body, the organs that we have, right? 5 senses. And the unseen is? Mind and intelligence. Mind is a constant flow of thoughts. It keeps throwing thoughts at you. बहुत सारे हमें पूरे दिन thoughts फेंकता रहता है. और intelligence is supposed to do what? the basically filter out कि कौन से मेरे लिए अच्छे हैं और कौन से मेरे लिए अच्छे नहीं हैं. That is the function of the intelligence if it is strong enough. Is that okay? Okay. ये सब हमने बातें कर ली थी. And then unknown क्या है? Soul. Yeah, unknown is the soul. We have agreed upon this, but because it's the unknown, we don't know anything about it. So we started exploring it. Yeah. We started exploring it, but explore करने से पहले हमने ये देखा कि actually ये पूरा system कैसे चल रहा है. Seen, unseen and unknown का ये जो system है, this is where it all comes together in an animated sense. Yeah. चल कैसे रहे, एक दूसरे के साथ interact कैसे कर रहे हैं. ये हमने 5 घोड़े बताए थे. What are these 5 horses? 5 senses. They are all always active, always running after something or the other, pulling on the chariot. Yes or no? If the horses are stronger than the intelligence, the reins जो लगाम है वो किसके तरफ जाएंगे? इंटेलिजेंट जो चैरियटियर है ड्राइवर की तरफ या घोड़े की तरफ? घोड़े ज्यादा स्ट्रांग है तो कहाँ जाएंगे? इंटेलिजेंस या चैरियटियर ज्यादा स्ट्रांग है तो किनके पास जाएंगे? If the driver is stronger, who will the lagam go towards? This thing. If this person is stronger, who is this going to go towards? Towards the. If these guys are stronger, then who is this going to go towards? You remember the example that I gave? I was a kid, I took a dog out to walk, and then the dog was stronger than me. I was dragged all around the colony. You remember that? Yeah? Embarrassing story for me, funny for you, but educating for all of us. Yeah? तो उसमें हमने ये देखा कि if the senses are stronger than the intelligence, if the intelligence is not strong enough, then the mind and the senses really hijack this whole system of the body. हमें क्या कर लेते हैं? This is the soul here, and हमें क्या कर देते हैं? ये hijack, kidnap हो जाते हैं हम, and we live the whole life without even knowing कि हम क्या हो चुके हैं, kidnap हो चुके हैं. You remember all this? Yes. थोड़ा आप जोर से बोलिए अगर आपको पता है. Good. Okay. So इस चार्ट को आप याद रखना. जो भी हमने लास्ट 2 दिनों में we have learned, we'll keep doing a recall to all of that because today is the application part. Whatever we learned, we basically will keep recalling on all of that, and we'll see how we can apply that in our life. Is that okay? Will you remember this? Yes. Okay. ठीक है. Then we said कि throughout life we go through without even knowing it, but what do we have to do? We can't leave our speciality of doing what? Our scriptures tell us what do we have to do? This is our primary speciality as a human being. What do we have to do? We have to introspect. Athato Brahma Jigyasa means curiosity about what? The spirit, and when? Right now. Athato. Great. We spoke about the proof of the soul. We spoke about when body dies, what leaves and what stays. When someone dies, what stays and what leaves? Body stays and soul. Good. Okay. And if that's the case, if you don't know anything about the soul, neither do you know, neither do I know. We put our faiths in what? And that is the first step to learning anything. What is the first step to knowing anything? We took the example of cycling, swimming and arithmetic or math. इन तीनों को learn करने के लिए हमें first step क्या लगा था? Initial faith लगा था. So that same faith we are trying to put towards something called the Vedas. Because the Vedas are the ones that actually made India very glorious. Everybody used to flock towards India. Why? We gave a lot of different proofs that the Vedic scriptures have. The whole world, when they didn't know that earth was round or flat, the Vedas already told us bhu kya hai? Gol hai, bhu gol. We knew the distance between earth and sun. These are just some examples that we give. The art, the architecture was so very advanced that obviously we see that उनको कहीं से तो knowledge मिल रहा होगा, and that is the reason why people all over from the world were flocking to India. Now we lost out on that, but where was this knowledge coming from? From the Vedas. What does the Vedas mean? It means knowledge, and knowledge is like, and the Vedic knowledge is not sectarian. It is just like Wikipedia. It is not for any one a particular region, any one particular religion, it is open to everybody to use. Is that okay to understand? हमने क्या एग्जांपल लिया था? आसन और प्राणायाम का एग्जांपल लेते हैं. Do you remember? कि आसन और प्राणायाम सिर्फ इंडियंस करते हैं? कौन करता है? There's a whole day dedicated to it. It's called World Yoga Day. Yes or no? Yeah. So everybody is using this knowledge. So yoga is basically used to make the body fit, the mind fit. Yes or no? Yeah. अगर हमारे ये वैदिक नॉलेज माइंड के ऊपर, बॉडी के ऊपर इतनी सारी आर्किटेक्चर एंड ज्योग्राफी एंड एस्ट्रोनॉमी, इन सब के बारे में सही हो सकता है, क्या ये स्पिरिट के बारे में भी सही हो सकता है? Yes or no? Can we put our initial faith in that?
Yes.
Okay, that's what we're trying to do, put initial faith and go forward from there. Yeah, that's what we're trying to do. We put our initial faith and go forward from there. We also spoke about something called what do we have to do for the soul? We basically spoke about if we have to do something for the soul, we spoke about the characteristics of the soul first. Yeah, what did we speak about? तीन चीजें, तीन characteristics of the soul. You can read it out. It's immortal, ever fresh and happy. This is something that we introduce the concept of the soul, that this is us. We know the body, may know the mind, but do we know the soul?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
Why? Because seen, unseen के नीचे क्या है? But this is the first level information that the Vedic scriptures give us, that about ourselves, that our own selves in the innermost region. What are we? We are first of all, second of all, third of all. Yeah. ये इसको हमने churn out किया था कि actually in our real self we are immortal, ever fresh and happy, and we said कि but हमें ऐसा लग तो नहीं रहा, हमें लगता है, हमें डर लगता है मरने का. Yes or no? You know, games में, video games में, there is something called the God mode, right? If you put a cheat code on, you could have a God mode. तब आप मर नहीं सकते. तो you can do all kinds of stupid things. You can just go in front of the, the enemy and then just kill them and do all kinds of stuff. Do we feel like that in the outside world? अगर हम immortal हैं तो ऐसा feel होना चाहिए ना? You go in front of anybody and किसी को भी आप धमका रहे हो, ठरका रहे हो, you're doing all different kinds of things. Yeah? But do we feel like that? Do we feel immortal?
No.
We don't feel immortal. Do we feel ever fresh? Do we feel permanently happy? We don't feel it. But this is what the Vedic scriptures are telling us. But एक clue हमने दिया कि हमें reality में feel ये नहीं हो रहा है, but are our desires aligned here? Yeah? This is something that we spoke about. Do you remember this? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Our desire is to have something for ever. Yeah. Diamonds are forever. Friends are forever. Everybody is forever because we like things forever. We don't like things, temporarily, and we like things to be ever new. New things we like. Variety and newness is what really attracts us. And everybody, no matter who it is, age no bar, caste no bar, region no bar, religion no bar, anything, everybody wants to be. Is this okay to understand?
Yes.
This is the reason why we are all looking for all of this, because in our innermost core, हम as a soul, ये हमारी actual nature है. But यही nature को हम कहाँ ढूंढ रहे हैं? The same things, where are we looking at? Bodily matter पे ढूंढ रहे हैं. We have forgotten that we are now thinking that we are a. So the same desire same है, लेकिन expectations कहाँ कौन से level से है? Body के level से है. Now there's a mismatch between the expectation and the reality. This dissonance is what basically puts us through a lot of misery, disappointment, and constant pursuit of happiness. This is where the gap is in the outer world, where we want all of this, but we're expecting it and looking for it in this layer. What can we do? Where can we look for these things? Where can we look for these? On what level? On the level of? ऐसी कौन सी चीज है इस दुनिया में जो इमॉर्टल है, वो फ्रेश और पूरी तरह हैप्पी है? अभी पता लगा है हमको. Very new information that we've received. तो हमें ढूंढनी भी इसको, एक्सपेक्टेशन जो हमारी है, डिजायर जो हमारी है, उसको मैच करना चाहिए हमें कौन से लेवल से जहां पे वो एक्चुअली प्रेजेंट है. द एग्जांपल गिवन इज दैट इफ यू लूज अ की, नाउ इफ यू गोइंग होम, यू हैव अ की, अपने घर की चाबी लाए हो, यहाँ पे आप छोड़ गए, राइट, घर चले गए, फिर आपको याद आया मेरे को मेरी चाबी कहाँ चली गई, मेरी चाबी मेरे पास नहीं है, गुम गई है, और आप फ्लाइट लेके फिर मुंबई चले जाओ और मुंबई में अपनी चाबी ढूंढने जाओ. क्या, डज दैट मेक सेंस? क्यों नहीं? व्हाई डजंट इट मेक सेंस? Where did you lose your key? Either somewhere here or on the way to your house, somewhere in this vicinity. But if you are looking for it in Bombay, will that make any sense? तो हमारी expectation अगर spiritual है in nature, which is immortal, ever fresh and happy, तो अगर हम उसको ढूंढे on the level of the body, material level पे, does that make sense? Doesn't make sense. But because we don't have any idea spiritual क्या है, material क्या है, we are looking for it on the place where we know. हमें पता ही एक जगह है, वो चीज हमें बॉम्बे ही पता है, हमें और कहीं जगह पता ही नहीं है. We only know the level of, which level do we know? Body, seen and maybe a little bit of unseen. And so we're looking for it that way. So we need to know about the spiritual level so that we can look for what we're looking for at the right place. We go through life, everything is cyclic, and in this cyclic nature of the world, we mentioned that हमारी जो life है वो भी क्या है? Immortal है हम. तो अगर हम मर जाते हैं तो क्या मर रहा है और क्या immortal है? Body is dying, and what is immortal? So if soul is immortal, after the body dies, it has to take another cycle of birth and death, or in another body. Yes or no?
Yes.
This is where we explored the concept of 84 lakh species, because in this world we don't see only one kind of body. How many kinds of bodies are there? Many, right? Yeah, there's a humankind, there is animals, there's insects, birds. Yes or no?
Yes.
Everybody agrees?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So we took another leap of faith, took it from the scriptures, that how many types of bodies are there? 84 lakh species are there. Who decides that which kind of body we get and which kind of body we don't get? हाँ, ये हमने बात करी थी कि हम ये सारा सब कुछ कौन से में किससे डिसाइड होता है? कर्म से डिसाइड होता है. कर्म क्या होता है? What is karma? If I have to put in one line,
Our deeds, previous deeds.
whatever I done before, अगर वो अच्छे हैं तो मुझे अच्छा मिलेगा, अगर मैंने बुरे कर्म किए हैं तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? अभी बुरा मिलेगा. बट ये हमने फिर सब्जेक्टिविटी की बात करी कि जो अच्छा बुरा की बात होती है, ये क्या है? ये सब्जेक्टिव है. दिस इज नॉट absolute, it is relative. Your idea of good and bad can be very different from my idea of good and bad. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. So if that's the case, be good and do good is not a very good philosophy to follow, because what is good and what is not, how do we know? This is what led us back to the Vedic scriptures, that just like gravity is absolute in nature. In one sense, for example, if all of us are here in this room, for us, all of us, gravity is the same. If you're in the same place, laws of nature are unforgiving. They're unforgiving. They do not change for someone else. They do not be lenient for someone else. Just like that, karma is also a law of nature, but gravity is more instant, and karma is more evolved, it's more complex, it is more conscious. Time, place, circumstance के हिसाब से the karma basically acts on you. Is that okay to understand?
Yes.
Yeah. This is all the recap that I'm doing for day 1 and day 2. Do you remember this? What did we speak about this? What is this? Snakes and ladders. हमने बात करी थी कि अगर किसी को ये गेम आती है तो वो इस गेम में जीत सकता है. Yes or no?
Yes.
जीत सकता है. But अगर जिसको between two people where one person knows the rules of the game and the other person doesn't know the rules of the game, I know it's a dice का game, it is not skill based, but just as an example, if it is not a chance based game but a skill based game, and I don't know the rules of the game, and if I'm thinking that this snake is something that will actually help me, and I keep aiming for the snake, will that help me? Will that help me? Will I win the game or lose the game? Lose the game. But will I understand or will I blame someone else? I'll ask the question, नहीं क्यों हो रहा है मेरे साथ? मुझे गेम पता है, मुझे लगता है मुझे पता है, मैं खेल भी रहा हूँ, अच्छे से खेल रहा हूँ, लेकिन मेरे जो सक्सेस है वो मुझे इनका मुझे उल्टा मिल रहा है. क्या मिल रहा है मुझे? फेलियर मिल रहा है. I'm doing what I think is good, but at the end of the day I'm getting bad results. This is the reason why apparently good people think that why are bad things happening to. This is why the karma thing comes in. We have to know what is good in an absolute sense and what is bad in an absolute sense. We have to know the rules of the game. We have to get to know the laws of this nature. कि क्या एक्चुअली में सही है और क्या एक्चुअली में गलत है. तब मैं ये गेम को अच्छे से क्या कर पाऊंगा? खेल पाऊंगा और जीत सकता हूं इस गेम में. Is that okay to understand? Yeah. How do we get to know? Again, another question it leads us to. How do we get to know? How do we get to know? We go back to the Vedas. Yeah, that's where we go back to. Our Vedic scriptures tell us what is good and what is bad, and that's where we left our day 2. We start our day 3 here, that how do we get to know what is good or bad? What do we do about the soul? And how do we take it forward from there? How can I apply all of this knowledge of the karmas, of the 84 lakh yoni, of this planning that I have to do of my next life? That's something that we spoke about, right? कि हमें plan करना चाहिए अगले life के लिए. इस life में तो करें ही करें, लेकिन अगले life के लिए भी हमें क्या करना चाहिए? Plan करना चाहिए. We have to invest in our future like that. So ये सब कैसे करें is something that we talk about today. So, the questions are great. Questioning is good. Mostly the questions revolve around what, why, how, when, all of these things. Yes or no? Yeah? But these are the questions. You know where the answer might lie? Answer lies within, but answer is who? Who is the question that we usually don't ask? That ये सब कैसे चल रहा है? ये सब क्यों चल रहा है? ये सब कहाँ चल रहा है? All of that we ask, yes or no? ये सब कौन चला रहा है? Is that a question we ask ourselves often or not? Lesser, yes or no? We do ask, but it's a little lesser. This is the first level of questioning that basically comes in. But our Vedic scriptures tell us that maybe the answers to all of these questions lies in this question of who? Yeah. Yes. Assume. Yeah. We assume that. We'll explore that today as well. So if who is where all the magic lies, who is where all the answers lie, let's explore the who first then. Who is where all of this is revolving around. But what do we do? What do we do? Usually we plaster over the who. कि who के बारे में रुक जाओ. Let's talk about the who later. क्योंकि who becomes a little abstract. Yes or no? Kौन becomes a little abstract. What do we start with? We'll start learning with the mechanics of everything. इस दुनिया को जब हम देखते हैं, ये सारे questions आते हैं, who की जगह हमें क्या सिखाया जाता है, especially in school? Not about the who, about the what, when, how. Yes or no? Yes? We get to know the workings of the world in this nitty-gritty of things. Yeah? What did you learn in school? You learned how physics is working, geography is working, biology is working, language is working, art is working. Yes or no? Yeah? Then you started doing things also. That is all the what, when, how. Yes or no? It's not about the who. Is it really? Nobody really talked about the who. We plaster over the who a little bit and we, अपनी दुनियादारी में हम क्या लग जाते हैं? हम अपनी दुनियादारी में इसके बिना ही क्या करने लग जाते हैं? We start getting busy around it. In fact, we also do something else. We put a sticker on it and we call it, we don't need to know about the who because we already know about science. हमें science के बारे में पता है. But what does science really teach us about, if you think about it? Science also teaches us about ourselves and the world, but what does it teach us? What is the approach that it takes? Theory, energy, yeah? What else? Sometimes we were talking about faith इससे पहले. Sometimes people make a distinction कि faith based organization है कि science based organization. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. But I feel that there is no distinction between both of them. Even science starts with faith. Yes or no?
Yes.
You do an experiment. Maybe if I do this, there's a hypothesis. How does an experiment start? With a hypothesis.
Believe.
वो आपने प्रैक्टिकल नोटबुक्स भरी आपने कभी?
Yes.
उसमें एम होता है, ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है, एक हाइपोथेसिस होता है, देन प्रोसीजर होता है, हाउ डू यू डू दैट थिंग, देन देयर इज अ रिजल्ट एंड देन देयर इज एन इन्फरेंस. Then you repeat it with repetition. If that same result comes, the hypothesis gets proven. So just like that, science and faith are not two different things. Only thing is, science is limited to talking about the how, when and what. ये processes समझाने में science is very good, but it never goes beyond all of this to the level of the who. Yes or no? So we need both things together. We cannot plaster over the who, put a sticker of science and say that no, we're good. We have now learnt everything. The reason why is science is based on what is seen, what is felt, what is perceived. Yes or no?
Yes.
But हमने बोला कि जो 3 levels देखे हमने, top level क्या है?
See.
Second level क्या है?
Unseen.
Third level क्या है?
Unknown.
How can science even comprehend or start to experiment about something that is unseen and unknown? It is struggling with the mind, yes or no?
Yes.
Mental science is still in its very nascent stages. It's doing a lot of experiments here and there, but no consensus, clear consensus is there. Why? Because science has traditionally based itself on what can be seen. Yes or no? Is this true?
Yes.
Everybody agrees?
Yes.
Loud yes?
Yes.
Okay. So that means science अगर unseen के बारे में नहीं बता पा रहा है तो हमें unknown के बारे में कैसे ही बता पाएगा? There is a material science, there is mental science, or there is subtle science. For example, the first level is called material science, second level is subtle science, and the third level is called spiritual science. All three of them are science, are scientific. To understand this, I'll give you an example. This is the levels that I was talking about. I've already spoken about this. That science basically is based totally on seen. On the unseen, thoda kam, but on the unknown, totally khali. It doesn't know anything about the unknown. We come back to this, that in this whole chart, where we talk about the horses, we talk about the mind and intelligence, the soul, इसमें भी material science हमें किसके बारे में सबसे ज़्यादा बताता है? Senses के बारे में बताता है, कैसे उसमें भी experimentation से बताता है, but बताता है. Mind के बारे में भी बताता है थोड़ा बहुत. Intelligence के बारे में maybe not. But soul के बारे में doesn't talk about it at all. So to go to the root of it all, we basically have to see that who is the source of it all. Yes or no? Yeah. To get to know कि ये सब कहाँ से आ रहा है, we have to get to know the source of it all. I have a small question for you. What do you think? It's an obvious question, but I'll still ask. What is the source of it all? What is the source of it all? Is there a source?
Yes.
कहीं से आ रहा है? Yes or no? Logically speaking, yes or no?
Yes.
But सब कुछ ये creation, हम, ये soul, सब कुछ कहाँ से आ रहा है?
God, universe, cosmic energy.
Cosmic energy, okay. What else? Nature, anything else? Someone said God, what else? Highest intelligence, yes. What else? Some super thing, yes. What else? Universe, okay. But the universe itself is a creation. Where is the universe coming from? Where is the universe coming from? Universe has been, it's a creation, yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. Where is it coming from? Someone said cosmic energy, all these things we said. But one word we keep hearing again and again, it's a debated, highly debated word. Nobody likes to talk about it. It's related, all of these things are related. But is this a word you're familiar with?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
It's an uncomfortable word. The G word that nobody wants to talk about. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah? Why do you think there is discomfort about talking about God?
Because nobody's seen it.
Nobody's seen it. What else?
And
Upbringing.
Upbringing.
and
Ha-
everybody perceives it differently.
Perceives it differently. तो डिस्कम्फर्ट क्यों है इसके बारे में इतना बात करने में?
Unknown.
अननोन है. सॉरी,
There are too many.
टू मैनी, देयर आर टू मैनी. क्या किसके बारे में बात करें?
सबके लिए सबका
सबके लिए सबका अपना अपना है, सबका है, वो अपने अपने पास रखें. You know, we don't need to talk about this. There are many reasons like this, but it's basically because we can't. First of all, we can't see. Second of all, we don't know, and maybe it's also because we don't care. That's also a reason, yeah. कि हमें हाँ ठीक है होंगे, कहीं होंगे, बैठे होंगे, लेकिन मेरा क्या लेना देना? मेरा कल को एग्जाम है, मेरा आज बॉस मेरे पीछे पड़ा है, my PPT is due, I have to do a lot of cooking, I have to take care of my kids, there's a huge business to run, all of these things are there, so I don't have time for all of these big questions in life, deep questions in life. I can't see God, I don't know about God, and I maybe don't care about God that much. Maybe I care enough to हाँ थोड़ा बहुत कर लिया, लेकिन उसमें थोड़ी पूरे दिन घुसे रहेंगे, रिसर्च थोड़ी करते रहेंगे इसके बारे में. थोड़ा बहुत कर लिया, थोड़ा बहुत जान लिया, बस. That's all. Do you agree here?
Yes.
Is this okay to understand? There's a little bit of discomfort to talk about God because everybody has their own perception and nobody is really sure about it. Is anybody, uncomfortable in office or in a family setting or in a friend setting to talk about 1 plus 1 arithmetic? Is anybody, hesitating? कि नहीं यार 1 plus 1 के बारे में कैसे बात कर सकते हैं हम? 1 plus 1 उसका अलग हुआ तो, उसका आंसर अलग हुआ तो मैं क्या मतलब लड़ाई थोड़ी करने बैठूंगा? I don't know 1 plus. All these problems are not happening for 1 plus, because everybody knows 1 plus 1 is 2. Is that okay to understand? There is a little bit of understanding there. There is a consensus there. Here, everybody, एक तो सबको पता नहीं है, सबको ही नहीं पता है. तो उसका अगर कोई परसेप्शन है और मेरा कोई परसेप्शन है, अगर वो बाई चांस अलग निकला, which is a big chance because it's such a broad concept. Everybody just thought about it in different ways, yeah? अगर मेरा और आपका conception different निकला, तो हम बात करने लगेंगे उसके बारे में, बात करने लगेंगे, पता लगेगा उसका कोई अलग व्यू है, मेरा कोई
अलग नहीं.
हम प्रूव कैसे करेंगे कि किसका सही है और किसका गलत है? ना उसको पता, ना मुझे पता. तो there will be conflict, and we do not want unnecessary conflict. And ultimately speaking, we think that it doesn't matter in our day-to-day lives. Is that okay? You understand this? Yeah? Even if I don't agree, even if I don't know, I feel that ठीक है, क्या हो गया? जो मेरा है, मैं जितना है मेरे पास, मैं उतना लेके चलता हूँ, उसके बाद जितना है वो अपना लेके चले. How does it? It doesn't affect my life, their life. We have to basically go ahead with my life. But that is where we are wrong, my friends. That is where we are. If we just spoke about all of this in day 1 and day 2 and today also, कि इतने बड़े बड़े questions हैं about this creation, इतने बड़े बड़े deeper questions about my own self, and all of them are related to our present, yes or no?
Yes.
That is something that we discussed in day 2. We have wars, we have problems. ये जो 3 टाइप के हमने प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करे थे, ऑन द लेवल ऑफ ग्लोबल लेवल, ऑन द सोसाइटल लेवल एंड ऑन द पर्सनल लेवल. कौन से 3 प्रॉब्लम्स थे जो हमने सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करे थे? वॉर्स, corporate, politics, and then traffic. Does this affect us?
Yes.
Does it affect you?
Yes.
If it affects you and I, and we all want a solution to this, but we have come to the conclusion that unless we solve these innermost questions, these big questions, हम इसको solve नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो इसके जो source है, उसको जाने बिना हम इसको जान कैसे सकते हैं? Then, does this question, the source of it all, do we still care about it or do we still not care about it? We then should care about it, yes or no? If we care about our present, not even just our past, not just about our future, even our present, should we care about this question? Yes or no?
Yes.
We should can't see से we should try and check if we can see. Don't know say we should check that can I know about it. And don't care say I should basically change it to maybe I should care a little bit about it. It's not an optional thing. We think of it as optional and personal. Yeah, it's personal, but it is not optional. If you make it optional, then you have lost the right, my friend, to talk about anything in this world. कि इसको ये होना चाहिए, ये सही होना चाहिए, ये गलत होना चाहिए. We lose our right. For example, हम में से okay, हम में से सबने वोट किया होगा. I'm assuming. तो जिसने वोट नहीं किया होगा, does that person have a right to say what the government should do and what the government shouldn't do? No, because they didn't do their duty. Yes or no?
Yes.
Just like that, if I don't care about the source of it all, then I lose my right to say what should be done, what should be right, what should be wrong, and how everything should function. Because this is exactly where all of it starts. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah? It's almost like this when we talk about the source of it all. एक छोटा सा बच्चा है. Now though it's become very common, but when you go to the airport, the malls, or any supermarket or anything, have you seen those automatic doors?
Yes.
Have you seen those automatic doors? Who's seen it? Say a yes.
Yes.
So you've seen those automatic doors. एक छोटा सा बच्चा है, वो आता है automatic door के पास, वो खुलता है. The kid, if the kid's been assuming the kid is seeing this for the first time, what happened to the kid?
Excitement.
Very excited. वहीं खेलता रहेगा, अंदर जाएगा ही नहीं. Like वहीं आगे पीछे, we used to do this with lifts because we never had lifts earlier on because we never lived in apartments before. So when I was a kid, when I saw, oh my God, this is so amazing. Then we saw that with escalators. Escalators ऊपर नीचे करते थे, right? So when you see an automatic door, kids get very fascinated. And when you ask the kid, hey, how's this working? Nobody's there opening and closing the door. How are these working? What does the kid say? I don't know. What else? जादू से, what else? अपने आप हो रहा है? Automatic? Yes or no? In fact, even lot of elders also, अगर आप उनसे पूछोगे, they might not be very excited about it, मगर उनसे पूछोगे तो आप वो क्या बोलेंगे? बोलेंगे ऑटोमेटिक है. अरे ऑटोमेटिक है, किसे ऑटोमेटिक है? कहीं से तो चल रहा है ना उसको. There's a process, yes or no? Nothing is automatic in this world. Automatic means someone has designed that automation. Yes or no?
Yes.
If this whole world, when we see, इसको पूरे को देखते हैं हम, तो अगर ये ऑटोमेटिक वे में हमारे पास सनराइज हो रहा है, बारिश आ रही है, चीजें उग रही हैं, ये सब कैसे हो रहा है? ऑटोमेटिक हो रहा है. Yes or no? हो ऑटोमेटिक रहा है, लेकिन इस ऑटोमेशन के पीछे is there an automator? That is the source of it all. That is the proof of the fact that there is a God, there is a creator. There is no other explanation to it all. If there is a watch, if there is intelligent design, that means there is an intelligent designer. आज तक आपने कभी ऐसा देखा हो कि we basically try and blow something up, and by chance in that blowing up something new gets created, some new intelligent design gets created? If you blow something up, does any intelligent design get created?
No.
Yes or no? Yes? Maybe? When does it happen?
आपने ज़्यादा एक्सप्लोर कर लिया तो उसमें से you are now trying to dig more things and then paints color.
आपने वो बचपन में लक्ष्मी बॉम्ब फोड़ा है?
Yeah.
Small hydrogen bomb, whatever you call it. I don't know, different region calls it different things. उसको मैंने एक डब्बे में डाल के बंद कर दिया. I have done all these things. Kids don't try it at home or outside. It's not recommended. But if you put it in a डब्बा, put that bomb in that, and उसको जला के फेंक दो, then क्या होगा? डब्बा flies off, फट जाएगा. Destruction happens. Yes or no? To destroy something is very easy. To create something is difficult. Very difficult. And to create something you need intelligence. To destroy something doesn't require that much intelligence. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yeah? So, to create something, if such intelligent design has been there, it is not just by chance. There has to be a creator. Is that logical? Yes or no? Okay. So, a source of it all is an intelligent creator, which is God. And then, from that, point onwards, we basically get to the question, if there is God, why is there no consensus about this? Because we have already spoken about this, we are misinformed. Even if we claim to know about God, we might not have full information, because हमने information जो भी ली है वो कहाँ से ली है? If I ask all of you also, whatever you know about God, where do you know about it? If I also have been asked this question, what do I say? I say मेरे parents ने बताया, मेरे दादा दादी ने बताया, मेरे society ने बताया, किसी ने मुझे बताया. Yes or no? जब आप कोई job interview में जाते हो, तब आप ये सेम अप्रोच नहीं यूज कर सकते हो कि कहीं से मैंने सुना था कि इंजीनियरिंग ऐसे होती है वैसे होती है, मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया बट मैंने सुना था ऐसे ऐसे, मैंने इंजीनियरिंग के बारे में बहुत सुना है, इंजीनियर कैसा होता है इसके बारे में मैंने सुना है, मैंने ना पढ़ाई करी उसके बारे में, ना आई वेंट अप टू टेक अप एनी स्किल्स, नथिंग आई डिड, but I heard a lot about what an engineer is and how the engineer looks and this and that from a lot of different hearsay. Hearsay आप समझते हैं, hearsay कहीं सुनी या बहुत अलग अलग बिट्स एंड पीस हैं, उसमें भी जो मुझे अच्छी लगी वो मैंने एक्सेप्ट करी और जो मुझे अच्छी नहीं लगी उसको मैं क्या कर दिया, रिजेक्ट कर दिया. उसकी मैंने एक खिचड़ी बनाई और उस खिचड़ी को मैंने अपना इंजीनियरिंग डिग्री मान लिया. Or now I go for a job interview and then they ask me, hey listen, where have you learnt your skills from, where is your degree, what experience do you have? No, he basically, or he or she says that no, I heard about all of these things, all these hearsay I have compiled and made a khichdi out of this, and this is my hypothesis, now you have to give me an engineering job. Will I get a job?
No.
Why will I not get a job? Because I am not just misinformed, I am ill-informed. I don't have even enough information, and enough की तो बात छोड़ो, I don't have the correct information because I didn't get it from the right sources and I didn't put it into practice. I didn't study in the right forum to do it. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah? Whatever I know about God, I basically have to question myself that where am I getting that information from? Have I gotten it from the right authoritative sources or has it just been hearsay? That is one. Second, maybe we are unwilling to hear about it. Yes or no? Unwilling? Sometimes I don't want to hear about God. Creator है क्यों है? नहीं चाहिए creator. Logically it makes sense कि creation है तो creator है, but there are a lot of people who say that I don't want the existence of some superior power. Yes or no? Yes. Do you know the existence कि ऐसा भी होता है, लोग बोलते हैं ऐसा? Yeah? That is second. And the third is, it is inconvenient. इसके बारे में तो हमने बात कर ही ली क्योंकि हम सबके thoughts अलग हैं, सबको पता नहीं है कि what is the right thing. Hence it is inconvenient to have this discussion. That is the reason why we don't talk about it. But out of all of these three, this part, which is the unwilling part, it gives us a clue. Yesterday there was a question about our origin story. कि हम इस body में कैसे आए? How did we end up in this body? If we are souls and right now we are in a body, how did I end up in this body? Was there a question last night? This is what gives us a clue of that. If हमारे soul का कुछ nature है, क्या बोले थे हमने nature क्या है? 3 बोले थे हमने चीजें, immortal, ever fresh, happy. अगर उसके projections हम कुछ body पे कर रहे हैं, कुछ nature ना हमारे body का भी है, हमारे mind, intelligence, ego का भी है, वो projection भी हम body पे करते हैं. And one of those projections is I'm unwilling to surrender to some bigger, higher power. किसी के सामने झुकने में हमें थोड़ी सी क्या होती है? प्रॉब्लम होती है. हम इसको मान सकते हैं या थोड़ी नहीं भी मान सकते हैं, बट प्रॉब्लम होती है कि नहीं होती है? अगर आपको आके कल कोई बोलने लग जाए कि hey listen, I will now tell you how to live, what will you say?
I don't want to listen.
1 second, who are you? Yeah, you stay in your lane, no? अपना काम कर, मुझे अपना काम करने दे. Who are you to tell me? तू कौन होता है मुझे बताने वाला? तो अगर सारे वैदिक स्क्रिप्चर्स में लिखे हैं डूज क्या है, डोंट्स क्या है, ये सब्जेक्टिविटी हटा दी गई है कि what are good deeds and what are bad deeds, तो मेरी जो malleability थी to do whatever I wanted and then to label it as good and bad, वो थोड़ी क्या होती है, थोड़ी कम होती है, यस और नो? थोड़ा हमें वो चुभता है, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है मेरी फ्रीडम क्या हो रही है, छीन ली गई है मेरे से. आई एम अनविलिंग बिकॉज आई हैव कम इनटू दिस वर्ल्ड बिकॉज आई वांटेड सम इंडिपेंडेंस. This is some new, brand new information we are talking about. This unwilling nature of ours, a little bit to surrender to a higher power, gives us a clue that what made us actually come into this world. Do you want to hear about it?
Yes.
Who wants to hear about it? Say loud yes.
Yes.
So let's hear about it. Once upon a time. What are all these things? These are all living beings. These are all living beings, okay? हमने क्या बोला कि we are what? Souls. But right now we are covered by what? Body and mind. Yeah, two coverings है हमारे पास, seen and unseen. Yes? ये हमने कल बात करी थी. ये जो है, ये once upon a time, ये वो सारी souls हैं which are basically not covered by the material coverings, but there are souls who have a spiritual body. Yes? Is that okay? Good place to start? This is our origin place. अगर हम spirits हैं, तो हमारी जो जगह है, वो in originality. The example that we usually take is, for example, if I have to go to the moon, can I go in this body, this very body? Can I go? I can go, but I'll have to do something. What do I have to do? Wear a space suit. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
So I am originally a spirit. I was living in a place which is called the spiritual reality, where I don't need, if it's my original place, I don't need a covering to live there. Yes? Okay to understand? Yeah? Now, after that, I basically thought कि नहीं यार, मुझे थोड़ा independence चाहिए. I want to try something on my own. जब बच्चे थोड़े बड़े होने लग जाते हैं, और इवन बच्चे होते तो डू दे आस्क यू लाइक, मम्मी मुझे अपने कमरे में खेलने दो, मम्मी आप मत आना वहाँ पे. When I was a kid, I used to be in the football team of my school. I hated it when my parents or my father or mother came to my games. I went, no, don't come. Like I used to feel pressurized. Don't know why, but I used to feel pressurized. No, you stay at home. Don't come. I want to play on my own. Have you seen this kind of behavior? Yeah. We like this being independent and हमें अपना थोड़ा करना है. Here in this spiritual reality, there was some things that we were adhering to. We wanted to be a little free and explore something else. Explore something else on our own. Are you all with me? Yes?
Yes.
So then, something else was facilitated for us. Here, we were all under the guidance of God or living with God in the spiritual reality. We will go into the details later. I'm just going to give you a very small, sneak peek into it first. So this is what we are doing. But we're like, hey God, it's nice that we're living with you, but I want to try something on my own right now. I want to try something on my a little independence. I want to try something different. So God is like, okay, fine, I'll make you a different room. You want to try whatever you want in that room. अपनी जो desires है, ख्वाहिशें हैं, तो वहाँ पे try करके देख ले. Is that okay to understand? This is our origin story, by the way. It's us. We have been through this. We were with God. We spoke to Him. And we said, we were with Him, we spoke to Him, we said, I want to do something of my own. Can I try something? God made us a separate place. And that place is this material reality. Outside is? Inside is? In this reality, we are standing in a queue. A queue of what? Yesterday we spoke about a queue. A what? How many? 84 lakh species. Yeah, I heard different number. 84 lakh species की हम किस में खड़े होते हैं? कतार में खड़े हो जाते हैं. Because यहाँ आने के लिए हमें क्या पहनना पड़ता है? हम हैं स्पिरिट, स्पिरिचुअल रियलिटी से आ रहे हैं, लेकिन हम कहाँ आ रहे हैं? इनटू द मटीरियल रियलिटी. तो हमें क्या पहनना पड़ेगा? एक मटीरियल बॉडी का स्पेस सूट हमें पहनना पड़ेगा. लेकिन कौन सी टाइप की मटीरियल बॉडी की स्पेस सूट पहनने को मिलेगा? दैट गेट्स डिसाइडेड बाय कर्मा एंड बाय दिस क्यू. एंड हमने कल भी डिस्कस किया था दैट इट एक्चुअली गेट्स डिपेंड, इट्स नॉट अ पनिशमेंट कि हमें एनिमल बनने को मिल रहा है. वी गिव एन एग्जांपल फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चन लास्ट नाइट दैट मुझे सोना पसंद है तो वैसी बॉडी मिलेगी जिसमें सोने का मुझे ज्यादा मौका मिलेगा. अगर मुझे मांसाहार पसंद है, इफ आई लाइक टू ईट मीट, देन मदर नेचर लुक्स एट अस एंड से यार बहुत बेचारा बहुत मेहनत कर रहा है, इसको कुकिंग करनी पड़ रही है, इस मीट को कुक करना पड़ रहा है, काटना पड़ रहा है, हटाना पड़ रहा है. लॉट ऑफ प्रोसेसेस गो व्हेन यू हैव टू ईट मीट. यस और नो? यू कांट जस्ट pluck it like a fruit and eat it. Can we?
No.
We can't. Meat has to go through a lot of processes before we can eat it. Nature looks at us and Mother Nature says, बेचारा बहुत मेहनत कर रहा है. Can we give him a body in which he or she can basically eat meat just like that, raw? Yeah. What kind of bodies are these? Lions, tigers, carnivores, basically. Yeah. We get that kind of body. We like swimming. We like to be in the water. We get the body of fish. All of these things are there. 84 lakh type of bodies because we have that kind of permutation combination of desires in us. So ये सारे desire जो हमें independently try करने थे, वो यहाँ पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Try करे जा रहे हैं. This is what we are doing. This is the whole system that is going on right now. This is our origin story. We just spoke about it in very small 10 minutes, but there's a whole lot of detail that we can talk about. The Srimad Bhagavatam talks about it in full detail. Bhagavad Gita talks about it in a little bit of detail. So we'll talk a little bit more. But can you remember this आज के लिए? क्योंकि we'll recall this again for some more information. Do you remember this? ये क्या है? ये क्या है? पहले ये कौन है यहाँ पे bobbing up and down? Souls. ये अंदर आके वो souls ही है, लेकिन उन्होंने क्या लिया है? Material bodies पहनी है. Is it okay? Good. Now, coming back to the question, ये जो पूरा सिस्टम चलाया, बाहर से अंदर आए, हमने फैसिलिटेट किया, ये किया, वो किया, हमें ये पता लग गया कि who is the creator of this all? God है. But there is another question. ठीक है, God है, ये है, वो ठीक है, लेकिन God और gods, capital G or small g, multiple or singular? What do you think? Capital G, one single God? Yeah. Why do you think one single God makes it simpler? अरे बहुत सारा फिर ये प्रभु जी बोलेंगे याद कर लो इन सब चीजों को. नहीं एक ही को याद करते हैं, बोलते हैं एक गॉड है. But there are different names. If अगर ठीक है एक है, different names. Yes or no? Have you heard these names? Have you heard these names? Yeah. Allah, Bhagavan, Jehovah, Ishwar, all of these different names we've heard. Not just different names. Have you seen different forms? Yeah? Different forms, different temples, different religions, all these different things are there. But we are saying how many? One God. How is this confusion happening? What is this confusion? Any idea? What is this confusion? There are different names.
Different messengers for different.
Different messengers. Yeah?
My God.
Yeah, different messengers. That's a new word that we're hearing today. What is that word? Messenger. Important word. We're hearing three things: God, gods, and messenger. Yes, Mansi.
Religious politics also that.
Yeah, there's something. कुछ चीजें ठीक है, मतलब एक्चुअली में है, और कुछ चीजें खिचड़ी भी हैं. अगर हमें खिचड़ी मिल रही है तो खिचड़ी आगे बढ़ाते भी तो हैं हम. यस और नो? हम सब लोग आगे नहीं बढ़ाते हैं, लेकिन कुछ लोग होते हैं कि अरे ये मेरी खिचड़ी अच्छी पकी है, इसको हमें क्या करना चाहिए? परोसना भी तो चाहिए. इसको परोसो, इसका ढाबा खोल दो, इस खिचड़ी का क्या खोल दो? ढाबा खोल. तो हम अपनी दुकान भी खोलते हैं अपनी खिचड़ी की. तो नाउ हाउ टू अंडरस्टैंड कि कौन सी खिचड़ी है, कौन सा एक्चुअली में सही है? how we can't make out. That is something they're trying to differentiate and simplify in this session. So all these different names are there, all these different forms are there, and out of all of these, we go back to the Vedas. Why are we going back to the Vedas again and again? Because three things are there. It is universal, it is timeless, and it is. ये हमने कल भी बात की थी कि how the Vedic scriptures were there when there was no religion. It can't be a religious book because it was present when there was no religion. It was present when no जो current borders हैं, modern borders, they were not present. And it has knowledge which is basically can be applied everywhere, universal, at any time. ऐसा नहीं कि उस time की बात थी तभी. Like for example, I have books. My father, from his younger age, he was into software. So I have books in my house which he refuses to throw away. We have floppies. Can you believe it? नहीं यूज हो सकती, पापा इसको फेंक दो, नहीं इसको हम रखेंगे, you know, बट उसको हम रखेंगे, लेकिन आज के टाइम में क्या वो यूज हो सकती हैं? नहीं हो सकती हैं. बट द वेदास आर नॉट लाइक दैट. द नॉलेज इन इट वो पहले भी अप्लाई, यू नो, वैदिक नॉलेज. आई वाज वेरी इंट्रीग्ड बाय दिस. इट आल्सो हैज समथिंग कॉल्ड एम्ब्रियोलॉजी. आप एम्ब्रियोलॉजी समझते हैं? एम्ब्रियो इज बेसिकली जब हम वूम्ब में होते हैं, हम किसी की माता के गर्भ में होते हैं, तो व्हाट हैपेंस फ्रॉम द टाइम ऑफ conception, when the little body starts developing in a womb of a mother. एक छोटे से पूरे के पूरे वो दिया हुआ है वहां पे कि कौन से साइज का है, कितने टाइम में वो डेवलप होता है. ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स विद प्रिसाइज टाइमिंग, प्रिसाइज ऑलमोस्ट ग्राफिकल एक्सप्लेनेशंस बताए गए हैं कि एक एम्ब्रियो एक माता के गर्भ में क्या होता है, कैसे बढ़ता है. How will they know this? Did they have ECG at that time? They had no ECG at that time. They had no telescopes at that time. But they already knew about what was happening inside of us and what is happening outside of this planet. Solar eclipses were calculated for years. How? How is this happening? That means the knowledge is not bound by time. It is not bound by place. It is not bound by any particular sect. कि इस सेक्ट के लिए है, इस रीजन के लिए है, इस रिलीजन के लिए. नो. दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई वी गोइंग बैक अगेन एंड अगेन टू द वैदिक स्क्रिप्चर्स. एंड मोर देन एनीथिंग एल्स, इट हैज अ लॉट ऑफ डिटेल. इतना एक्सट्रीम डिटेल दिया हुआ है कि हम पढ़ ही नहीं सकते हैं. वैदिक स्क्रिप्चर्स में 108 उपनिषद हैं, पुराण हैं, संहितास हैं, you know, all these different things are there. There are so many books, so many verses, so much detail that one person in one person's lifetime can't read them all. इसलिए हम पढ़ते ही नहीं है. Because they're so vast, what do? We don't read them only. like हाँ बहुत, this is impossible, let's leave it. मत्था टेक लेते हैं उस पे हम और आगे बढ़ जाते हैं. मैथ्स ट्यूटर आया आपका घर पे और आपसे पूछा कि आपने मैथ्स का होमवर्क किया, और आपने कहा हाँ मैंने 108 बार उस बुक की पूजा करी है, उसको मैंने माथा टेका है, क्या मेरा होमवर्क हो जाएगा? What do I have to do to that book? Yeah, we respect it. But more than that, what do we have to do? Read it. We have to apply it. That's when we actually fulfill what has been actually written inside of it. So God is one, okay. There is, how many realities are there? How many? We just spoke about realities. Spiritual and material. The spiritual reality is absolute and the material reality is relative. Because matter, हमने बोला seen, unseen and unknown में, body, senses, mind and soul में eternal कौन सा है, temporary कौन सा है? Soul is eternal, body or matter is temporary. Everybody agrees?
Yes.
Everybody is with me?
Yes.
So अगर matter temporary है, soul spirit permanent है, तो spiritual reality और material reality में कौन सा permanent है और कौन सा permanent है, और ये जो material reality ये मिथ्या नहीं है. It's not an illusion. This world that you see is the material world. It's not an illusion. It is 100% real. 100% real. But it is temporary. Can we understand this? We are eternal souls living in a temporary body in a temporary world. That is the, disconnection that is there. So God is one, yes. He is the one who's created all this. But He has nothing to do with this material reality. क्रिएट करा है, डेफिनेटली करा है, लेकिन इससे उनका कुछ लेना देना नहीं. क्रिएशन डेफिनेटली करी है, तो भाई ये चला कौन रहा है? अगर उनका कोई लेना देना नहीं है तो चला कौन रहा है? चलाने वाला कोई चाहिए ना. इज दिस होल सिस्टम वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड? इसको समझने में ही थोड़ा टाइम लगता है ना. अगर आपको बोले आपको ज्योग्राफी लर्न करनी है, यू नो यू हैव टू बिकम अ PhD इन ज्योग्राफी. हाउ मेनी इयर्स डज इट टेक यू? नो जो PhD मतलब स्टार्टिंग से जीरो से लेके PhD करने में कितना टाइम लगता है आपको? 25 साल मिनिमम, unless you're like a child prodigy or something like that. Yeah, 25 साल मिनिमम. PhD होने के बाद भी आप किसी एक चीज के क्या हो जाओगे? स्पेशलाइजेशन होगी. आप ज्योग्राफी पूरे all of geography will not be an expert of. Yes or no? 25 years of the best years of your life you've put in, and you become an expert, an apparent expert about one small thing in one part of this whole world or universe of creation. Yes or no? That means कि बहुत ज्यादा ये क्या है. एंड तब भी आप एक्सपर्ट बनने के बाद भी उसमें अपडेट होती हैं चीजें कि ये सही था, ये गलत था, ये सही था, ये गलत था, इसको ठीक करना पड़ेगा. Yes or no? परफेक्ट तब भी नहीं है. Can you imagine how big, vast and intricate this whole creation is? Yes or no? Yeah. If that is the case, किसी को चलाने की जरूरत तो है. आप घर चलाते हो, घर चलाने में कितना टाइम, कितने लोगों की जरूरत पड़ती है? लगता है ना, एफर्ट लगता है कि नहीं लगता है? घर इजीली नहीं चलता है. मैंने एक्सपीरियंस से सीखा है. मेरी 2 साल पहले शादी हुई है. तो घर चलाने में, अपना एक छोटा सा घर चलाने में भी हमें क्या लगता है? बहुत ज्यादा प्रोसेसेस लगते हैं, यू नो टाइम टेबल लगता है. ऑल ऑफ दैट हैपेंस. यस और नो? एन इंटेलिजेंट माइंड लगता है, डिसिप्लिन लगता है. या तो अगर एक घर चलाने में इतना सब कुछ लगता है, तो ये पूरा दुनिया क्रिएशन चलाने में कुछ लगता होगा कि नहीं लगता होगा? अगर भगवान नहीं चला रहे हैं तो कौन चला रहा है? देयर आर डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स. Just like in a college, in a corporate, in a business, there are different departments. Yes or no? Process बनाने के लिए different departments होते हैं. वैसे ही इस creation